You're watching the Stephen VL Outdoors channel.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be working on the 570 again. You may have seen in the last video, if I've already posted that, the radiator relocate kit. If I didn't post that already, well then you're getting a sneak peek of it. But I did talk about how I got the got a light bar with the radiator relocate kit, and today I'm going to show you. I'm not going to step by step, but I will show you the things that I'm doing to hook up that light bar. What I got here, this is the stuff that I'm going to use. I will put the links down in the description. So I do have this 14 gauge wire. It is got the cladding on the outside of it, the shielded, what do they call this? I don't remember. But anyways, the casing. It's got the casing on the outside of it, so it'll help protect the wire. I do have a set of crimpers for crimping, terminal ends. And then I have a H11 connector kit, way more than I need, because the way we're going to do it is, if you already see, I already have installed the H11 connector on the light bar harness. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the since the light pod is useless now because there's a big old radiator in front of it, we're going to go ahead and utilize the high beam plug to control the light bar on the front of the radiator relocate. So that way this light bar will operate with the switch. I did do a little bit of research. I don't remember the exact numbers, but this light bar will be okay to run off the factory, circuitry. So there's nothing to worry about there. The factory light bulb that's in these is actually higher powered than this light bar, so we should be pretty good. So I'm just going to tell you real quick how we're gonna do it, and then I'm gonna run the wire, and maybe I'll show you crimping the ends. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to remove, there's a screw here you got to remove, and then you'll have 2 screws on the front of the pod. I don't believe you actually have to remove, there's a screw down here, but I've been in this before and I seem to remember that you don't have to remove this one. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled apart so that way I can get my wire run up to the back here and get the plug on. So I'll show you that once that's done. Alrighty, so we installed the H11 connector on the harness. I forgot to mention the panel that goes right here. You are going to have to take that off. So I have my cable run down and through, plugged into the back of the light or into the light harness, and then you can see over here it comes up through there and just plugs in right here. So let me go ahead and turn this on real quick. And we do have the low beams, and then let me turn the high beams on, and that is controlled off of the high beam switch. See the high beam light on and the high beam's on. And there we go. Alright guys, so if you're interested in hooking up a light bar on your four-wheeler, especially if you did a radiator relocate kit and you put a light bar on the top and you lose your headlight pod and you just want to be able to control it without a separate switch, this is how you do it. Again, I will drop links to everything I used in this video down below so you guys can check it out if you want to get it for yourself. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop me a comment below, Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.